To counter illegal immigrants, the United States has deployed 500 Marines to the border with Mexico to support its border guards. The White House has released a video showing the arrival of the troops and their preparation for tasks in the border area. The Ministry of Defense of Japan has allocated funding to purchase domestic Type 23 long-range anti-aircraft missiles. The Type 23 missile is based on the land-based version of the missile used on the modernized MkIII systems with a maximum range of 100 to 120 kilometers. North Korea has test-fired sea-to-surface strategic guided cruise missiles. The missiles hit their marks after traveling along the 1,500 kilometers. The weapons test by Pyongyang was the first since U.S. President Donald Trump returned to the White House. Ukraine has unveiled its advanced Poseidon H-10 MkIII unmanned aerial system. Designed to enhance reconnaissance capabilities on the battlefield, the drone is equipped with cutting-edge technology, including a high-resolution camera and thermal imager for optimal performance in various operations.